given that sine theta is equal to 2 over 3 and theta is an acute angle, find tan theta, giving your answer in Surd form. So we can draw a sketch like this one here. Then we can have our solution. So we are being told that sine theta is equal to 2 over 3, and we know that sine theta is given by the formula opposite over hypotenuse. So sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So our opposite here is this is our opposite. This is our opposite. This is our hypotenuse. This is our adjacent. So sine theta is given by our opposite here is it is 2. Our hypotenuse here is 3. Now we are told, given that sine theta is equal to 2 over 3 and theta is an acute angle, find tan theta, giving your answer in Surd form. So we want to find tan theta. We want to find tan theta of this angle here. The formula for finding tan theta is tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So now we have been given hypotenuse to be 3, opposite to be 2, but we have not given the size of adjacent. So we want to find the size of adjacent, and we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem in order for us to get adjacent. So the theorem says that 3 squared hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So that is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So we want to find the unknown size of the adjacent. So we can say that adjacent squared is equal to hypotenuse squared minus opposite squared. So adjacent squared is equal to hypotenuse squared is 3 squared minus opposite squared is 2 squared, which is giving us 9 minus 4, which is giving us 5. So adjacent squared is 5. Then now we can take the square root of both sides. You can say that adjacent squared square root is equal to square root of 5. So this square will cancel the square root. So you can say that adjacent is equal to square root over positive or negative 5. But because we know that adjacent cannot be negative, so we say that adjacent is a square root of positive 5. So our adjacent here is equal to square root over 5. So now we can find our tan theta in form of a Surd. So you can say that tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Our opposite here is a 2, and now our adjacent here is a square root of 5. Opposite is 2, our adjacent is square root of 5. So now tan theta is equal to 2 over square root of 5. Now we want to get rid of this square root sign here. We are going to multiply the numerator and denominator by square root of 5. Square root over 5 over square root over 5. Because we want to get rid of this square root sign here in the denominator. So now this is going to give us a 2 square root of 5 over square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. Square root of 5 is just like 5 power 1 over 2. You multiply by 5 power 1 over 2, which is equal to 5 power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is equal to 5 power 1, which is equal to 5. So square root of 5 times square root of 5 is a 5. So our tan theta is going to be 2 times square root of 5 over 5. And this is our answer. Thank you for watching.